Hello, welcome to A Big Pit, presented by Little Pine Education. The best phonics stories ever, Level B, number 12. You can see that this story takes place at the beach. What do they have at the beach all the time? Fog. Fog is when a cloud moves in close to the ground, and it's all gray and you can't see very far. Fog. First, let's preview the short vowel words. Sid, Kim, dig, dug, sand, big, pit, hill, in, it, rocks, top, fun, job, jog, got, back, fog, fell, and wet. Tim and Kim like to dig in the sand. They dug a pit and put a big hill in it. They had fun and they did a good job. They went for a jog on the sand. When they got back, there was a lot of fog. Oh no, do you think they will be able to see? Tim fell in the pit. Oh no! He was okay, but he was wet. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed this story, and I'll see you again next time.